from it too. That is awesome. I'm zooming in on it. Okay. Sorry. All right. Let's just start going and see what we can capture. No, to be honest, I look at it like catch and release, like on a fishing show. You know, it's like they put some delicious bait in the water, something bites at it, and then it gets ripped away from its reality. It's taught a lesson, and then it's released back into its environment, that much more capable of surviving. That's how I see it.
Well, I guess. I mean, I'm okay with that. I was just wondering how you felt about it.
Oh, well, if you ever need to rationalize it, that's how I do it. So that's just the way I see it. I don't know. How do you feel about it?
I don't know what the hell you guys are talking about.
I'm talking about Bang Bus. Like, how do we? Does it ever weigh on your conscience?
Nah.
No?
I think it makes you
just the driver? Better person. Exactly, because we're teaching them a lesson in survival. It's a good thing. Catch and release. It's a very good. What do you call those? When you compare something to something else.
Metaphor?
There you go. It's a good meteor. It's a very good meteor.
I don't see any girls, man.
We'll just keep going.
Yeah, there's no one out here.
This is what we do almost every day. We just drive around
fucking desert out here.
Aimlessly wandering, hoping we bump into somebody. And then hoping they're nice.
Man. Like do some, I don't know. You know.
Are you trying to keep with the catch and release metaphor?
Yeah. We need a set of trap, you know.
Like candy or
like bear traps or something.
Bear traps, yeah. And then we could be the good Samaritans to save them.
Exactly.
Like, sorry about the ankle.
Yeah.
Like, this is nice weird, house. Man.
Nice little white picket fence.
If it had a white picket fence, yeah. Construction equipment. That means progress. Kind of. Actually, this neighborhood has no potholes. I've noticed that. Mine is all fucked. I got a flat tire from a pothole. I called the city and asked if they were going to pay for the new tire, and they said no. No, I'm absolutely serious. And I hit it at the speed limit, and I couldn't see it. It was nighttime, you know. It straight up flattened my tire like it was nothing.
Yeah, it's typical bullshit for you.
That's what I get for trading in my 4x4.
I had a friend who lived next to a golf course, and they broke his windshield like 3 times.
Really?
And they don't pay for it.
Okay, see, that's the rich taking advantage of the disenfranchised, if that's even a word.
They make you sign like a contract saying that, you know, that you're...
So then what's the benefit of living next to a golf course, not having neighbors in the back?
I don't know, I think it's worse. Your neighbors don't fucking smash your windshield every other fucking week.
Whatever. Golf is such a stupid sport. Not because they break people's windshields, because they take up so much property for nothing. You're chasing a little ball around, man. I can appreciate how much talent it takes to like, it's real technical. Like, you move your thumb this way, this happens. You move your foot this way, this happens. But seriously, man.
It's the rich man's sport, man.
That's actually pretty cool. I like that building. I wouldn't like to live there, but it looks nice. And it's got a twin brother right next door. Just a different color. Really? Was there a Miami in the 1800s?
Yeah, there's always been a Miami. Maybe mangroves and fucking, you know.
Inside the heart. There's always been a Miami inside the heart. Dark in this neighborhood. Oh, that reminds me. Yeah, so last time I voted for hope and change. Now I'm just kind of voting for, it's not that bad. And it's just kind of annoying. I wish we had like some some godlike fucking, I mean, aren't they supposed to be like the alpha males of the entire country, you know?
They should bring back Bill, man. Bill was the man, dude.
Yeah, he was. And he did so much good, and everybody was just stuck on the whole blowjob thing. But Mitt Robot's talking about fucking bringing up indecency laws for adult. Like, he's really trying to go against the porn industry.
Yeah, I think I see some legs.
Which is, what?
Not the old niggas.
That's all I see, but I like it.
Man, wait, look at this. Through the African book. Wait, not the old lady either.
Alright, yeah. How do you no, excuse me, can I talk to you, please?
Sure.
I have childproof windows. Oh, there they go. Hi. Is this like a neighborhood like shrine?
I believe so, yeah.
What? There's the Greek gods? Like,
I think that's Poseidon.
No shit.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I've never seen that before. Are you from this neighborhood?
Yeah, I am actually.
Do you walk by this every day?
Yeah, every day.
Have you ever like stopped and thought like, what the hell's that doing there?
Yeah, often. Can I ask, why do you have
Anything.
a camera?
Oh, the camera? It's for recording things.
Oh.
It's a lot better than a picture camera, because picture cameras just take still. I'm fucking with. I'm sorry. No, me and my friends usually like just drive around and try to we try to find people on the street and just do like street interview kind of things. It's kind of what we're doing now. Are you busy?
Kind of.
I understand. That's usually what everybody says. But hold on, let me do something real quick. No? All right, cool. Now I had to change something. What were we talking about?
Your camera?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, most people respond like that. They get. Are you nervous about cameras? Do you get camera shy?
I'm a little camera shy, yeah.
Okay. Well, how old are you?
I'm 20.
20? Okay, that's a cool age. How long until you turn 21?
Next year.
Next year. Well, I mean, can you say it in months?
Well, like 10 months.
10 months? Yeah.
I guess, yeah.
Okay. That's easy math. You see, you have enough fingers for that.
Yeah.
That's what I have to rely on. Anything more, I gotta take off my shoes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I like your shoes.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're cool. So you're busy right now?
Yeah.
That sucks. I kind of wanted to get to know you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's kind of what we do. Like, where are you coming from?
Oh, it's actually at a friend's house.
So where are you going?
I was just walking back, towards my house, I suppose.
Okay, you suppose?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna follow you. I mean.
I didn't, I wasn't thinking that.
Okay. Look, okay, what we're doing is, actually, we're trying to find, just people to talk to. Just, like, we're trying to get footage of people, like, on the street, like, we're trying to define our generation, actually. We're trying to get footage of people, just ask them random questions, and hopefully by the end of all these different interviews, like, we could put the footage together, and, wait, is that your dad?
No.
Okay, cool. All right, he looked mean. All right, I thought he was mad. Okay. We're thinking maybe if we do enough of these interviews, we can actually find something that brings us all together. Like, this is my friend, Jesus, like, the guy in the driver's seat.
Hi.
This is my friend Ben back here.
Hello.
He's actually, we were doing an interview with him. We just finished up, and we were gonna drop him off at home, and we were hoping to find one more person. That's up to you, though. I mean, we pay cash. Does that matter?
A little bit. I mean,
What were you doing at your friend's house?
I was doing her hair.
Oh, really?
Cosmetology school.
Oh, okay. I was about to say that's really girly. Well, it's still really girly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that's
guess it is girly.
okay. Where's your equipment?
Well, it's back at her house now.
Is she one of your classmates or something?
Yeah, she is.
Oh, that makes sense.
School project.
So what do you guys do? You like take a picture and turn it in as a final project, or
Well,
you got to bring her head?
Go in, since it's already done to her hair.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's weird. I thought you guys took heads home and like practiced on heads.
Oh, we can do that too.
Okay.
It's actually easier on a real person though.
Yeah, I'd assume. Yeah. Okay. Is there real hair on the heads?
Yeah, it's cadaver hair.
Ew,
Yeah.
dude. Do you get creeped out? Like.
It's a little weird at first, but.
Do you ever like do their hair while doing the Ouija board at the same time?
No.
You might get some answers.
Be bad.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's too bad we couldn't do an interview with you. Like, we're gonna pay you like $60 for a half hour of your time. Is that a lot for you? I mean, what do you do for a living?
I'm just in school right now.
So you're not working?
No, I'm not working.
So who's paying for your school and your groceries and your rent and all that stuff? Do you live at home?
Yeah, I live at home.
Oh, okay. Well then, do you have a car? Why? Okay, you're walking.
Yeah,
I guess you don't have a car. So you're stuck in your neighborhood. Do you like borrow the parents' car every once in a while and go out partying in the minivan?
Every once in a while.
Okay. Well, I don't know what else to talk about right now. I was trying to loosen you up to the idea of coming with us. I was hoping if we talked long enough, maybe you'd trust me a little bit.
Show some money.
Yeah.
The idea's in my head.
I don't know if that's actually how I want to do it with. Yeah, why not? Look, this is my budget for the day. You can't have it. You got it. You have to. That's our budget. So if you wanted to come with us, we're gonna pay you 60 of that. If you want to do more than an hour, we can actually pay you more if you're still interesting after a half an hour. No offense, I'm just saying. Maybe you're young. You might not. How you said you're 20?
Yeah, I'm 20.
Yeah, I don't know how many life experiences you could have. It's all gonna be about your opinions, really. If you want to do it, it's cool. If not, we have to go. I'm not being rude. I'm just saying seriously. We rely on the daylight for light. But you do have to do it in the van. You would have to come with us. So at your age, I don't know if you want to take a personal risk like that, but honestly, if you were in danger, we'd already have you. You know?
That's true.
Yeah. So if you want to come with us, cool. If you don't, it's really up to you.
I think.
Is this where we play the Jeopardy music?
I think I'll go with you.
You will?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Come on in. Wait. Do you have 2 forms of ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Would you be willing to sign a release?
Yes, I will.
Okay, cool. Yeah, come with us.